Hey guys, I am on my way to pick up my friend Erica. We're gonna go backpacking, and it's gonna be her first time backpacking. So we're gonna go up to Linville Gorge. We're gonna go up to the Pisgah National Forest and go to Sam's Knob, around in that area. Little Prong Wilderness, I forgot exactly what it's called. It's just southwest of Black Balsam. And it is 7:30 in the morning. And I'm ready to go. Guys, we are at, Cherry Cove. We stopped along the parkway. We're actually above the clouds. It was supposed to be cloudy today. It's cloudy down below, but not up here. It's really awesome. It is 8:45. You should be at least probably close to 15 minutes away. It looks like you're like really high up. You're only like 4,800 feet or something right here, 4,500. Unfortunately, I should have stopped early. There's a lookout with a whole bunch of cars. It's like even better than this. That's cool. Yes, we just made it just past the Mountains to Sea Trail Art Lobe intersection, and this is a great view. This is literally like 10 feet past. This fantastic view this morning. Clouds are hanging low. Nice and sunny, good weather. And straight down cliff. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Hey everyone, we're at Devil's Courthouse.
Thank you so much.
That's where we're going tonight. That's Sam's Knob. We're gonna hike along this direction. I think in that valley right there. And hike back that direction. Let's see.
Look, if you want to call like after
That's cool.
I think he wants to get back on.
Don't let him sit up here.
I'm not letting him sit on the ledge. I mean, like, put his
Oh, you want him to?
yeah, it was cute. Come on. Austin.
You record like this.
Let's face it towards you. It's selfie stick, man.
It is.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
You can't see yourself.
You can. See, it's recording using the back camera.
I mean, you can't see what it's recording.
You don't have to. Let me go out here.
Stand up.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Well, we found this little cool spot on the side of the field. Dude, much clearer. But it rained a little bit last night or something. It's supposed to be partly cloudy last night, but it was basically completely cloudy, overcast. We did see the full moon. It was a hunter's moon last night. basically means 2 full moons in a night. And a nice little fire. Otherwise, not much else. I'm just walking around. It's a fun time. I'm glad yesterday's weather was so good. Today's weather is going to be just as good and better. It's cleared up. It was cloudy until like 10 minutes ago. But I'm going to go back and start finishing packing up. And might catch you later. Everyone, we're on top of Sam's Knob. We haven't been up here for the sunset last night. I believe this is directly west. About 10 a.m. A couple people camped up here. Great view. Colors are starting to fill in as well. Give it another half week to a week and it'll be much more vibrant. On the opposite side of Sam's Knob now. I believe that's Grassy Cove Knob. That's Tennant Mountain. And over here is Black Balsam going across. If you look really closely, right, the clouds are blocking it, right here is where we parked. So our campsite is down right in here. I'm gonna just hike up this trail all the way back to the car. And we'll be done. Hey everyone, so let's go back home. We had a good time. I just wanted to do a final update. Onyx is happy. We're back. They want to bring him on her first trip. He's kind of stressful. He's not too well behaved, are you, buddy? Yeah, you are. No, you are. Yeah. Say hi. Nah. Anyway, it's fun. I'll just drying out my gear now and cleaning off the thing. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.